Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be giving you guys a very quick tutorial on how I do my aloe and avocado mask. So if you'd like to know, then keep watching. Alright babes, so for this mask all you'll need is 2 avocados, aloe, and coconut oil as well. So when it comes down to the aloe, I did have an actual aloe leaf that I took the pulp and everything out. So I did not show you guys how I cut the pulp and everything out on this video. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you need to know how, of course leave a comment and I can do a video on that. So just keep watching as I put this mixture together. And I also want to warn you guys now that for the aloe, I did not use specific measurements just until I got it to the consistency that I wanted it to be. Alright babe, so right about now you guys can see exactly where I just poured the aloe juice / pulp in there, and I will be adding the coconut oil. So I did use half a teaspoon starting out, and you guys will see in the video that I just continue to add a little bit more until I got the consistency that I wanted. So right here you guys will see that I will be adding some more coconut oil and also aloe vera juice, and that's just because it was not the consistency that I wanted. I wanted something a little more smoother when applied to the hair. I don't really want a lot of chunks in my hair, so yes, you guys will just keep seeing me adding more until I get that texture that I'm looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect, but close enough. Alright lovely, so I am done with the mixture bowl. It's a small little Tupperware thing, so I honestly made a lot, but I am about to get started and start putting it in my hair. Oh yeah, so one thing I did forget to mention is it does not stink. It smells like aloe and avocado. So it doesn't have a particular smell if you are concerned about the smell. It's a strange feeling going into your hair. It's kind of, you know how if you eat avocado, do you know that avocado is like buttery? But it's like on your hair. Yes. So because my hair does need moisture, I'm definitely focusing more so on the ends. The whole strand, of course, but definitely these ends. Definitely want to get into these ends, y'all. And if you see chunks falling off, it's okay, because it's just pieces of aloe pulp, which is perfectly fine. Okay girls, so right about now we're gonna get into these facts. So why aloe vera? I'm sure some of you guys don't know or have any idea like what the heck does aloe do for your hair. So aloe vera is very good for balancing the scalp. For your hair, it is perfect for those who may have dry scalp Or my mom specifically, she has alopecia, and I did this on her, and she talked about how she can feel the actual like hair follicles starting to grow and push through her scalp in the areas that she has her bald spots. So this is especially perfect for those of you guys who may have alopecia or is suffering hair loss right now, especially women who may be going through like postpartum and everything. So yes, and also with aloe vera, it is very good for damaged or dry hair. So if you are suffering from dry hair, this is perfect for you. And guys, if you know anyone who is suffering from hair loss right about now, whether it's your aunt, mom, friend, whoever, please send them to this video, because I definitely want to help women get their hair back on track. So let's not be selfish, girl. Let's tag whoever we need to tag. Even if you don't know your girl hair story, just let her know, because you never know. Alright babes, and now let's get into avocado. So why avocado? So avocado is not only very good to eat, but also it does have a lot of very, very great benefits for your hair. So if you do not know, avocado is one of the very, very few oils that can actually penetrate your hair shaft, which means it's one of the few oils that can actually moisturize your hair and get deep into that strand instead of just sitting on top of your hair and, you know, causing buildup or whatever. So guys, avocado does have a lot of good fats in your hair. I mean, not in your hair, what? Avocado does have a lot of good fats in it, which is very good to help strengthen your hair, prevent breakage, or even just to help stop the breakage now. And I do want to talk about breakage. So if you guys are experiencing that, please stay tuned for my next few videos this week, because I will be giving you guys the rundown on all of that stuff concerning hair. And it is pretty messy, but it's not like too messy. As of now, it doesn't seem like you need a lot of this. I really haven't used a lot. So yeah, and I'm almost halfway done. Almost halfway. I do like what it's doing to my curls though. I can see that it's definitely making my curls pop. Alright babes, so last but not least, wild coconut oil. So coconut oil is just one of those oils that's just amazing for a lot of different things. For cooking, your body, your hair is just great all the way around. So now for coconut oil, what I will say is that it is good for fighting against dandruff. But for myself personally, I don't really like coconut oil on my scalp. It seems to make my scalp drier than normal. I don't know. So I just really don't put coconut oil on my scalp, but I do have it in this hair mask. So overall, all in all, it does moisturize your hair. It also adds that luster and that shine and softness to your hair. And it also prevents hair breakage and split ends, which is really great for if you're trying to retain length. So all in all, in this mask, we have a moisture. We have those fats that we need to help build the strand. And we also have something that is protecting those split ends to contribute to length and length retention. So if you are looking for a growth mask and a really good retention mask, this is the mask for you. So guys, I just want to do a quick check-in and just give you some feedback on this mask. So I do really like this mask. It did well for my hair. So all I will say is make sure you rinse it out thoroughly, because I did still have some of it on my scalp whenever I rinsed it out. But as you guys can see right here, this mask just really like moisturized my hair so good, y'all. Like, even though I was just applying it, like, I just really love how this mask made my hair feel. My hair felt amazing. It has so much body, which you guys are about to see coming up. I'd also like to include that this mask did not make my hair feel crunchy at all. And yes, look at them curls in the back, so popping, period. I love it, y'all. You will continue to see my results throughout this video, so just continue to watch. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I mean, why not? Now, babes, I did leave this on for about 3 hours and rinsed it out with warm water. So guys, this is just part 2 to my wash day routine. If you want to see the final look and the update on my review for this mask, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be updated when the new video drops. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.